So my dear students, welcome back to our channel. So in this channel today we are going to discuss about the question paper pattern that the board has been provided for you. This pattern has been directly provided from the Karnataka School Examination Assessment Board, Bangalore, and this is going to be your final pattern of the question paper in the year 2024 and 25. So far, we have discussed the deduction of the chapters. Now we are going to just see what are the slight changes that have been made in this question paper pattern, which they have designed for the academic year 2024 and 25. So how many marks have been allotted, and what are the dimension, and what are the norms that they have taken from the current syllabus for you to study. What are the things prescribed for you to study? Let us see in this video. So this is going to be our first dimension. Dimension consists, my dear students, the themes, that is the number system, and then algebra, and then trigonometry, then coordinate geometry, and statistics and probability geometry, and then comes the surface areas and volumes. Okay, so these are the themes. In first theme, that is the number system, you are having the chapter real numbers. This is the only one chapter that consists the number system theme. So in real numbers you are going to have 5 marks, and then pair of linear equation in two variables, arithmetic progressions, polynomials, and quadratic equations. These 4 chapters together fall in the theme of algebra that are going to fetch you with 27 marks. My dear students, this is going to be a really fantastic job for you. These 27 marks are really very important because they are going to give you passing marks. Next comes the introduction to trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry, which falls under the theme of trigonometry, which carries 10 marks. These 2 chapters together carry 10 marks. Now comes the coordinate geometry, which carries 6 marks. Statistics and probability together carry 8 marks. Triangles and circles together carry 14 marks, and then areas related to circles and surface areas and volumes, both chapters together carry 10 marks. So far this is the only information that we have. We don't have particular information as per the number of marks distributed for per chapter. These are the marks distributed on the themes. Like algebra is the theme and 4 chapters together carry 27. We don't know how many marks they are going to give for polynomials, for arithmetic progression, and all those, because that is going to come in the next step. We will see in the next video when the chapter wise marks are released. We can see in the next video each chapter contains how many marks. Now we have the second dimension, that is weightage to the cognitive levels. Cognitive levels means remembering, understanding, application, and skill. So direct questions, my dear friends, direct questions like what is the formula to find the volume of the cube, formula to find the total surface area of the sphere, all such direct questions, formula to find the n terms, formula to find the sum of n terms, what's the formula to find the area of the sector and length of the segment, all such formulas which are going to directly appear from the textbook, they are considered in the remembering cognitive level. So that carries 12 marks now for you. So these 12 marks are very important because they are going to give you direct questions. Next comes the understanding cognitive level. It's very important for you to pay attention in your class during the explanation, because when you understand you are going to get 44 marks, right, my dear students. 44 marks have been allotted for your understanding. Next comes the application, which includes analysis and synthesis, that carries 20 marks, and then the skill based question that carries 4 marks. I'm damn sure that these 4 marks are been allotted for graph. So the graph is the one question that you need to make yourself perfect with, because that is going to fetch you 4 marks. Okay, my dear students. Okay, and next comes the weightage to type of questions. What type of questions you are going to get here? So these are the multiple choice questions that are going to, number of questions are going to be 8, 1 mark for each question, and that's fetching you 8 marks here. Very short, that is only 1 mark question, direct question. they are going to give you 8 marks because each question carries 1 mark. So 8 questions, 8 marks totally. And 2 marks short type of questions, you're going to get 8 number of questions. So 8 twos are, that's going to be 16 marks. And long answer type 3 mark questions, you're going to get 9 number of questions. So 9 threes are 27 marks. Long answer type 4 mark questions, 4 mark each question carries 4 marks. Such questions you're going to have 4 questions, 4 questions of 4 marks, that carries 16 marks. And long answer type you're going to get only one question, that's carrying 5 marks each. And this question, my dear friends, probably it's going to fall from the chapter of surface areas and volumes. So total number of questions are going to be 38 and marks are 80. So this is the dimension 3 analysis, that is the weightage of types of questions. Next you have the weightage to difficulty level of questions. Difficulty level of questions is going to be easy type questions, you're going to get 24 marks. This is very important for you because these 24 marks probably will fetch you with near about passing marks. So easy questions are of 24 marks, average questions 40 marks, and difficult questions 16 marks. See my dear students, even if you leave out or drop out these 16 marks, these marks are going to give you a great choice. 40 plus 24 giving you 64 marks. So please pay attention to this average and easy level of questions. So this is the final difficulty level. Fourth dimension is the final one. And if at all we get the descriptive of chapters, chapter wise marks allotted, we are going to definitely show you with that. So with this, please like, share and subscribe our channel. In the coming days we are going to learn how to pass in your examination, not scoring, how to pass. We are going to analyze the question papers from the previous years, and then we are going to see what are the maximum repeated questions that you can follow with to pass your examination. So please like and do share this with your friends so that they come to know the authentic and the real information that is provided through the board itself. So all the best, my dear students. Take care. Bye bye.